Okay, today we are going to talk about this top box from Temu. This is 45 liters top box, and today we are going to install it on Cfmoto 450 MT. So I order 45 liters because I need only space for one full face motorcycle helmet, and this case is, they advertise it as aluminum, but basically I think this is just a thin layer of aluminum around it, but it feels sturdy and it's very light, what I like about it. I also like this liner inside is soft, and there's also pockets, so you can store some stuff without wiggling around this box. So now we are going to talk about how to install this box. What I found that on this model is extremely easy to install on this holder here. Underneath this box there's a plate which holds this box, and what we are going to do, we are going to unlock it and then just press it down and it will pop up. So also what we have to do is to remove these 4 screws, and the tool that we need is actually everything we have already in the motorcycle. This tool is already in the motorcycle, so you have everything you need for this installment. So now we are going to undo these 4 screws and remove this plastic covering. Okay, now the screws are undone. Remove this plastic covering, and we have this like base plate aluminum. Now we are going to remove this holder. As I mentioned before, just press it down. Maybe you have to apply some force, and now it's removed. And what I like about this, actually the holes are lined with the holes that there is already existed on this motorcycle. So now we are going to take the screws that we undone before and simply align these holes. Now I'm going to show you a bit clearly what I mean and how this hole align themselves. Okay, here you can see it's perfectly aligned. Now we are going to take the 4 screws and tight this base plate on the holder of the motorcycle. And now, as you can see, we tighten this firmly and it stays in place solidly. Okay, now we are just going to take our top box, very simple and straightforward. Place it and align. Now you can see maybe here, you just align this with the holder as it was before, put it inside and lock this mechanism. Now that's it, it stays in place super firmly, super stable, looking great.